channel again, and thank you very much for being here. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by, and please join me in unboxing my December 2019 Boxycharm. And this one is the Fomo box, as you can see in my title. December 2019, I received my Boxylux and I didn't get the regular Boxycharm. And then I saw that if you're a new subscriber, you will be receiving a palette, a free palette actually. I think it's from Too Faced. And Too Faced or Tarte, I'm not sure, I forgot. But if you use the Jolly Charm code, that is how you will get a free palette, but that's only for new subscribers. So I made a new account, like a younger me. So let's see what's inside. And this is $25. Boxycharm is $25 a month, but I pay $5 shipping. So a total of $30, okay? And let's see what's inside. Okay. So, almost dropped it when you open it. This is quite a big box, to be honest. For regular Boxycharms, is like up to here, right? Mostly. Like that, half, like most of the times, like half of this box. So let's see what's inside. Hopefully it's a great one. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, there's the free palette. And that's how it looks like. It says, "Hello, Charmers." Okay. Also, it's from Too Faced. Okay. So this is the Just Peachy Mattes. Okay, this is the Velvet Matte Eyeshadow Palette infused with peach and sweet fake milk. Wow, I didn't know that. Okay, and this one is made in USA. Okay, oopsie. Oh my gosh. Look at the packaging. Is this gold? Looks like it. And dun, 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 dun. Is this the same one that's gonna be in the January Boxycharm? Let me make a quick check. Oh, okay. So there's a small paper here, like how to glamour guide. That's how it looks like. Okay, and this is the palette. Very beautiful, very beautiful. That's how it looks like at the back. It's gold, and look at that, it's apples, right? Or maybe peach, right? Because it says Just Peachy, so this is peach. Okay, let's open this. Oh my God, it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my God. It smells good. Really, it smells good. And it's a good sized mirror. And let's cover it. And here are the shades. They're very beautiful shades. So the shades are, okay, I'm gonna read the shades, okay? Peach Meringue. Did I say it right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Peach Tea, Peach Cobbler, Peach Tart, Peach Butter, Just Peachy, Peach Punch, Just Ripe, Peaches and Cream, Fresh Picked, Peach Sangria, and Chocolate Dipped. Oh wow, love the shades. Definitely gonna be using this. Lovely. I don't know how much this is though, but I'm gonna put a price later, okay, and information later of how much this one costs. retails. Retail. Again, very beautiful. I'm glad I got this. Okay. Moving on. So, oh, when you see this, nothing here. And here is our box. Oh, I didn't know that. So, this is the regular Boxycharm box, okay? And the products are, the 5 full-size products are gonna be in here. And it's sealed, so we have to open it. Really love how they did this. Okay. I didn't expect that. Okay. So, when you open this, it says, Hello Charm. Okay. And it's red. And, ooh, I think I got something that I really like, that I didn't get in my Boxycharm. So, here are our products. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I saw this in the spoiler and I already got this before. So this is from CoverFX and this is the Perfector Face Palette and in light medium. Yeah, I remember getting this, but mine, I don't have my other one because my friend already got it. Okay, let's cover this. What am I gonna use to cover this? Okay. Bear with me. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't have anything to cover it. I'm gonna cover the mirror, that's why. And here is the shades. And I know most of you have seen this already from previous unboxings. I think this is the first palette that I got from Boxycharm, I think. And was it March that we got this? I'm not sure. And by the way, there's no, what do you call that? There's no card. Okay, so this one I think already covered the cost of the box, but actually this one already covered the cost of the box, the free item. Okay, oh, I got this again. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Seattle, London. I know I tried using mine and I didn't like it, and my friend got it and she didn't mind that I already used it once. And I don't know what's the shade of this. Lightweight, fallout free, color shifting pigments. What's the shade? Is that the shade, the fallout free? I don't remember. Okay. Again, I already got this before. Oh, this one seems like a different shade. This one is lighter. I think the one I got before is kind of pinkish white, something like that. So this one I'm definitely not gonna be using. I'm gonna give this again to her because she have a use for this. Okay. I can't put it back, the cover. Okay, another one that we already got. I know I saw the spoiler that they're gonna be having this again in the box. And this is from Dominic Cosmetics. And this is the Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, and I think we got this in the November or October box. I don't remember. And it's still the same shades, I think, with the one I got. I think there's only one shade, right? Like one variation, or what do you call that? Yeah, so this is the same. And I don't have my original one anymore because my friend got that one. Okay, no box though. Was the first one had a box, or it's also like this, like there's no box? I don't remember. So this one is made in USA, good to know. And I think the cover effects also is made in USA, yes. And Seattle, London is made in PRC. Okay. Okay. Now this one I didn't get from December. Yeah, because I got the Boxycharm. So this is the Seraphim Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Gloss. Another lip gloss. I'm not really a lip gloss person, so that's how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna check how much the items, how much these products are. Okay, so this palette is $45 and I paid $30 for the box. Okay, this one retails for $35, so that's 40 and 35 is $75 already. Okay, let's put that 35 plus. Okay, how much is the palette again? 45, so that's 80, right? Okay, let me check that again. Yeah, so 45 plus 35, that's already $80. Okay, so this one retails for $45. Oh, this one is $22, but right now it's on sale for $11. Okay, so let's put it in 22. So we're on 147 right now, and this one is $24. Gosh, 24. And we're in 171 right now. And the last but not the least here is, I know this one, how much this one costs, but I better double check. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, so the last but not the least here is, this one I didn't get in my Boxycharm because I chose the Saturday Skin. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, and this one retails for $79. $79. So everything in my box right now is worth $250. And this one is 15 ml. And I know you've seen, some of you have seen this. And this one is made in England. And this is how it looks like. This is so pretty. I know I don't use facial oil, but Elemis is so good that I might use this. I don't know. I'm gonna smell it. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can really smell the rose. This is so beautiful. I am so happy with this box. Even though I got some repeats, but so worth it. So worth it. So what do you think? I am so happy with this box. Like, I don't know, way better than most of the box I got. So what do you think? Again, please leave a comment below. Please let me know. And please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, please. And if you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe if you want to, please. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you will know if I have a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.